my boiled meat. I'm going to put it in the oven and roast it. This is the meat that I'm going to be using to make tomato stew. Making my stew, I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So I'm just going to allow the oil to warm up a little bit before I add in my onion. Now I'm going to add in my onion. Just going to turn this a little bit. So now I'm going to add in my tomato. I'm going to cover to simmer for a while. So now I'm going to add the ingredients. As you can see, it's already bubbling. I'm adding ginger puree, garlic puree, ground pepper. Just going to combine. I'm adding seasoning cube. I'm using Knorr chicken. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. Let's combine this. I'm adding a little bit of tomato puree. Let's combine this. Now I'm going to cover to simmer a little bit. Here is my catfish. I'm going to add it in on the stew. I'm going to transfer it in there. Look good. To add some smoked turkey. Nice. Cover it again to allow it to simmer a while. So here is the meat. It has roasted now. Look at that. I'm going to put it on the soup now. Give it a little bit of time. Look at that. It's almost ready. It's getting thicker. I'm just going to allow it to sit on the heat for a little bit. Now I'm going to add in the meat. Add in the meat. Going to cover again to simmer for a while before this tomato stew will be ready. Wow, look at that, guys. How nice. This is beautiful. My stew is now ready. I'm just going to turn down the heat. My stew is now cooked. Look at that. This is rich. It tastes delicious. See, this pot of stew has got everything. Everything. How nice. You need this in your life. I'm going to serve the rice.